Hi, welcome to Kala's Math World. Today, let's see the sums from factorization. We will be using the method splitting the middle term to find out the factors. Let's see the sum x square plus 10x plus 24. So this is a trinomial and the degree of this trinomial is 2. So how will you factorize this one? So to do the factorization, first we need to check whether any perfect square is existing here. So here we can see that x square is a perfect square, but 24 is not a perfect square. So we cannot use the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Because to use this formula, there should be two perfect squares, that two should be in positive mode, and the third term should be 2 into a into b. That is the first term and the last term square root you have to take together, multiplication, and then twice them. Then that term will be the middle term. So if this is in this formula, any algebraic expression is in this formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, then we can write the factors as a plus b the whole square. But when you are checking here, we can see that x square is a perfect square, but 24 is not a perfect square. So we cannot say that this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So to find out the factors here, we will split the middle term. That is, what is the middle term here? 10x. Whatever the term which is having x. Here we are taking variable as x square x. So we will take it as 10x as the middle term. So we will split this 10x in a such a way that the product of those numbers. So if you are splitting this into two numbers, suppose that p and q. So this 10 coefficient of x I will split into p and q such that p plus q will be 10. That is coefficient of x. Whatever the middle term, that coefficient will be p plus q. And what is there? A into c, that is coefficient of x square into the constant. What is coming? That will be p into q. So you have to find out p and q such that p plus q is equal to 10 and p into q is equal to 24. Here p into q is equal to 24 because x square coefficient is 1 and 1 into 24, your answer is 24. So you have to find out p and q such that sum of the roots will be 10 and product of those roots will be 24. You have to find out such a number that. So how will you do that? To do this, you can write all the multiples of 24. So what all multiples are there? 1 into 24 is equal to 24. Right, 1 into 24 is equal to 24. Then 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Then what else is there? Yeah, 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Now 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So we have written all the combination of the products which we are getting 24 here. Now we have to check what all numbers will give the sum as 10. So here 1 plus 24 is not 10. So we cannot take this option. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Here 2 plus 12 is also not 10. So we cannot take this also. 3 into 8 is equal to 24, but 3 plus 8 is not 10. So we will not take this option also. Now last option left out, 4 plus 6 is 10 and 4 into 6 is 24. So we got a combination such a way that sum of the numbers is 10 and the product is 24. So we will take this 4 into 6, this combination, to split the middle term. So we have the question x square plus 10x plus 24, which is equal to x square plus, I am going to write 10 as 4x plus 6x. So we know that 4x plus 6x is equal to 10x plus 24 can be written as 4 into 6. Now I'll consider first two terms together and the last two terms together. So I'll group first two terms and last two terms as groups. So from the first group, I have x as the common factor. So in x square also x is there, in 4x also x is there. So I'll take that x out, and what is left out in the first term? Yes, if you are taking x from the x square, we will have x left out, plus from 4x, if I am taking x is out, then 4 will be remaining. So we can write x square plus 4x as x into x plus 4. Similarly, so this plus, what is coming in the middle, this plus will come here. Now in the third and fourth term, we have 6 as the common factor. So I'll take 6 outside. So what is left out here? In the third term, x is left out, and in the fourth term, 4 is left out. Now we can see that we can consider this as one term and this as another term. Then x plus 4 is common in the both the terms, right? So I'll take that x plus 4 outside, and what is left out in this term? So here x is left out, and in the second term 6 is left out. So we got x plus 4 into x plus 6. So we have x square plus 10x plus 24 can be factorized as x plus 4 into x plus 6. Let's see another example. Here we have the question as x square minus 10x plus 24. So here sum of the roots, that is sum of p plus q, should be minus 10, right? Because middle term we are having a negative symbol. So we will be taking p plus q is equal to minus 10. You have to consider that minus also. And product of the numbers, that is p into q, should be 24, right? Because coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 24 is 24. So your product of these two numbers should be 24. Again, you will write the combinations like this. So 24 combinations will be 1 into 24 is equal to 24. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. And 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. That's it. So we are having all the combinations. Now the sum of the numbers should be negative and product of the numbers should be positive here, right? So sum of the numbers should be negative means our both the number will be negative, because negative plus negative will be negative. And why this both the number is negative? Because product of the number should be positive. If either one of the number is negative means, then you will get product of the numbers as also negative. But here it is clearly given the product of the numbers should be positive, right? So we will consider the combination such a way that the sum should be minus 10. So we can, similar question before question, so we will consider this one. But here what we will consider? Minus 4 and minus 6 we will take. So we will substitute that here. So x square minus 4, x minus 6x plus 24 is equal to, so first two terms I'll take x as the common factor. So we'll get x minus 4 here. In the second, third and fourth term, I'll take minus 6 as the common factor. So we'll have x minus 4 inside the bracket. So again I'll take x minus 4 as common factor, and I'll get x minus 4 into x minus 6 as the factor. So when the middle term is negative and the product of the numbers is positive, your factors will be in negative. So x minus 4 into x minus 6. Now let's see the sum x square plus 15x plus 56. So when we are splitting 15x, so that the product will be 56, we are having this combination. 1 into 56 is equal to 56, 2 into 28 is equal to 56, 4 into 14 is equal to 56, 7 into 8 is equal to 56. So when we are adding the numbers, we have to get 15. So this is the only possibility. When we are adding this, we will get 15. So our numbers, we are taking P is equal to 7 and Q will be 8. So I am going to split according to that. So x square plus 7x plus 8x plus 7 into 8. 56 I am going to write 7 into 8. Now I'll group first two terms and last two terms. So from the first two terms, I'll take x outside, and what is left out? X plus 7 is left out. From the second group, I'll take 8 outside, and you will have x plus 7 left out. Now from these two terms, I'll take x plus 7 outside, and I'll get x plus 8 in the middle term, next term. So we have the factors as x plus 7 and x plus 8. Hope everybody understood this method. So you can do some more many sums using this one. There are some sums you can practice it. If you like this video, please share this video. Thank you.